What's up, y'all? Back with another video today. It is Saturday. You feel me? The whip is no longer on ice, but we do got to take the battery back. Yeah, facts. But yeah, gotta get the battery tested, and then after that, might gotta take the tire off. But other than that, let's go throughout the day. Like the under.
You said 09 E320?
For
320?
underneath those blue ones.
Oh.
I don't even think I will. I don't even know. Well, no, those were. I left those in my old car. Whenever it got totaled, I didn't have enough time to take it out before they took it. So it's gone. I do want to get another radio. I'm gonna go look at those. Oh yeah.
Is she testing the battery?
Yeah, she's testing the battery. We might be getting another radio too, because I do want to change that radio out that I do have. That's the only thing that's outdated on that car. Other than that, sure, everything is
good head.
Kentwood Alpine.
Car toys and shit like that.
Yeah, see these are
I don't know what car audio stuff. I don't know if they still got car toys in Oklahoma. I just have to go to Best Buy.
To get a radio?
Yeah. You can get you a good radio, you can get you a warranty on shit.
Oh yeah,
It's got enough output. You know what I'm saying? It's only a 200-watt radio. You want to get you some with enough output to really push your shit.
Facts. I want bigger watts than that right there. Nothing too big, too small, but I'm definitely getting another radio as well.
On that battery?
Yes, ma'am.
It's got a bad cell.
It's
So,
bad?
yeah,
Okay.
it's got a bad cell, so it won't take a charge on it.
Okay.
So it would have to be replaced.
Okay. Do you have any other batteries for 2006 Hyundai Zero? Hyundai.
Goes red one like that, and green one like that, and
this is grease, it didn't let the terminal back on.
Yeah, the grease after you finish, you put the clamp on, just right here. Don't put it here. If you put it right here, there's no contact. So
Okay, no good,
car
no
don't
good.
start.
So
just
just up
around here, and you could put on a clamp itself, but not.
Okay.
We just cut it a little bit in here, and you'll be fine.
Gotcha, boss. Thank you, sir.
Anything else?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. So terminal first, and then put it on the top.
Yeah,
Some
turn it
top.
first, tied it up pretty good, and put the grease around the top.
Okay.
$1,320. Whoa.
I don't know. What else should I put? Next.
Keep these
83. Well, actually.
inside, right? Remote?
Yes, sir.
You're already in the system.
Okay. Yeah, I should have like some points or something.
Let me see.
You gotta teach your little brother about this type of stuff.
With cars and stuff.
I mean, yeah,
Nah,
you know about having
he's starting to
cars
get
and
it.
reward points and stuff like that.
Oh, well, yeah.
You know,
Like
just general life stuff.
We already put you the points, so you get more.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You know, just basic life stuff.
You come by something, check your phone or your email. You have coupon. You could give me the number. I deduct it from the $5, $10, whatever you have.
So we got the battery now. Find out, y'all.
Got a Galaxy Note.
Y'all, this is how you
That's
find
what I
out.
wanna know.
And yo, if you go on your Bluetooth and the phone that's not supposed to be in there,
Whoa,
that's
what's
not on your plan.
going on? What is happening?
Hey, Pops, it's okay, bro. It's okay.
Oh, no, it's not.
It's okay.
I got an S10 Plus. I don't know who got a Note. Who got a Galaxy Note? What the hell? Oh, man, we're going to have to have a talk about this.
It's always something, huh?
Shut up.
That's crazy.
Oh, I tell you.
Oh, copyright.
Over over time, it'll kind of always start to look like it's a spot on the rim. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, mine's is real
like,
bad.
you can't figure it out because you like, nigga, I know I wash my rims. What the hell's going on?
No, I clean them.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But water don't be good, and it's hard water, and that shit will oxidize your rims. So they got this stuff called a chrome finish spray. You're supposed to use that on chrome rims specifically after you wash the car to protect them. And them little stores, my auto parts stores. Oh man, I used to live in them joints.
Yeah, that was me when I had my Sonata.
Yes, sir.
That's when I put the Autobot thing. I don't know if you remember, I had the little transformer sticker on the side. And boy, saw me almost every other day. I was just in there, just buying stuff.
I like detailing my cars myself. I don't feel like these places do it as good as I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, for real. Unless you go like Rainforest, like I've been going there since like I was literally little at that car wash. So I mean, they sometimes take care of you, but then some like I just don't like the on and off. I need consistency.
Yeah. And that's the thing when you're dealing with people. You know, people is people. They wake up and have good days, bad days, just like we do. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes they might come to work like, yeah, I'm gonna be an all-star employee, and the next day they like, nigga, I'm just here to get my check and not get fired. Really?
Not like for
Sono is not working.
Oh, your turn don't never work.
Yeah, thank you. Goof. Some air freshener told me keep it pushing.
They gave my man some air. They gave Pop some air fresheners
and told me keep it moving, nigga. You keep on pushing. Alright then, boy. That's what they did. That's what they hit me with. Alright then, boy.
Already?
Yeah, already. Go on, get up out of here, flip. Damn, that's hard. I'll try to do a good deed. Like, nigga. Push on, player. You go to Walmart for anything?
Nah.
They go on the Wally World like, man, all I need is one towel.
What?
And then leave out and then redecorated the whole crib. Like, what?
Oh my goodness. Wait, that's the air freshener?
I know, right?
That looks smell good.
It's hitting, ain't it?
Alright, so back with the battery that's missing.
I got you.
So yeah, this is basically how to change the battery. We already took the old one out, got the new one. Taking the bolt down so that way the battery doesn't go from left to right to up to down, you know, and you don't explode your car. Yep. So now that you got it secured deep down in the bowels of the valves, take off the electrical tape, which we use just to protect. Just to protect the terminals, we just wrap them in tape while we're gone. Yep. Never making any contact with any other metal. Now that will blow up the whole city. I'm setting it off in this bitch. Okay, people next door are shooting. Their house is exploding. You don't know what's going on. Hey, we do be having those type of neighbors though. That kind of. See, you heard that? Oh. So we got a good battery. See the static? Means it's active. Steady. Go down. Oh yeah. So then, once you get the terminals back on, positive, negative, you come over here to the box. Over here to the box. The box. To the box. to the box. Oh, hey, I'm chilling.
To the box.
I'm chilling.
other closet, my guy?
This one. Oh yeah, in my pockets.
Man.
Boys almost came up. Hey, this is story time. So look, the car was still running, right? And they was trying to jump the car, right? Running while trying to put the jumper cables on, right?
Well, yeah, you can do that. You can have both. I mean, you just gotta be careful. But
Get wrong, but
you heard
what? My stuff started like smoking, like my whole entire car, like underneath the hood, started smoking. So I literally had to pull those things off. My hand didn't catch on fire or anything like that, but it was like real burned. Like there was a whole bunch of plastic, like just melted inside of my skin. Like it was crazy. I was so bad.
Now we got problems.
What? I'm over here asking. I'm like, y'all sure y'all know what you're doing?
See.
Cause mind you, I could have just took care of the whole entire thing, but I'm like, nah. I mean, it's your problem. I mean, I'm in my car, making sure my car is all right, but it just didn't happen like that.
It's the little nut.
Oh,
No problem.
oh yeah. Shit. There's more than 2 ways to skin a cat.
Yeah. Always multiple ways to do something. Just patience and don't get
Exactly, because when you're frustrated, your mind is cluttered and you don't have a clear path of thought at all. There's so much debris and clutter from frustration that you can't think. Just calm down. Just breathe. In the long run, everything will work out. It's basically what I'm trying to say. But take that with you, though.
Makes no sense.
Yeah, this is the fit for today. Oh yeah, here's my tattoo, by the way. I don't know if y'all can still see that, but it says Y series. I think it's busted. It's crazy. It's today Saturday.